Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another Convoy flashlight. It's S11, but this time with GT FC40 LED. And I'll be comparing it to other S11 flashlights, so here are some photos how it looks, and as always I'll post a link to video description where you can find it. So today we have S11 Convoy flashlight. I already did review of another S11 flashlight. This is 50.2. You can find the review here in the corner. And I also did review of XHP 70.2. This will be here in the corner. And I don't own the XHP 70.2 as I gave it to my mother. So I'm left with those two. So everything else is same, design is same, just LEDs are different. So here is 50.2 and the new high CRI GT FC40. Actually, it's not so new, but new for me. So everything else is the same. I took another color. As always, here we have the spring. As you saw in photos, little color battery, 26650, spacer, and this side is like this. That's why you need a spacer, because the battery is too short and it loses contact. But with the spacer I had no issues. How to put a spacer? Put like this, and you have to check it. If something, just shake it, and then you can put the battery in. And this should be like few millimeters. Yeah, so this is 12 groups. So how to choose groups, you can check my L21A review. I explained it there. And after you choose the group, you just have modes, then one click to turn on, tab to switch modes, and one click to turn off. This has memory, and you can turn it off if you don't like it. So let's compare the beams between this one and XHP 50.2. Here are the beams. This one is 4000 kelvins and this one is approximately 4500 kelvins. So the beams look like this. Nothing much to talk about this flashlight. Only thing that it gets hot quite quick, not as the XHP 70.2 or 50.2. So keep in mind and be careful with turbo. So that's it. Now let's move to nighttime shots and see how it does at night. Hope you enjoyed those nighttime shots. Now we have the graphs, and we see that this flashlight, as most convoys, has brightness stabilization. And what that means that as the battery gets lower, the flashlight is still shining the same output. Just on turbo it steps down because it has temperature protection. And this flashlight also has low voltage protection, so when your battery gets low, the flashlight blinks and then turns off itself. And as always, I'll post link to those graphs in video description. I hope you enjoyed watching my review, so some final words about this flashlight. S11 flashlight, I previously talked about other S11s with XHP LEDs, and this one is high CRI, that's why I like it. And the beam is quite smooth with neutral tint, and everything else is as other S11s, just the LED differs. So as always, I like that it has stabilization on all modes. Just on turbo it steps down because of the temperature, and after it steps down in other modes, because of the battery is getting low, you get like blinking every few seconds. That means that you have to recharge or change the battery. So very nice flashlight. I use it as an EDC flashlight and I like it. Simple design, very good price for this kind of flashlight, and nothing else bad about it. So I hope you enjoyed it, and as always, please leave a like, comment and subscribe if you like my content. So see you next time, and goodbye guys, thanks for watching.